We're going to compare the effect, the hydrostatic shock of handgun rounds versus the 5.56 as fired from the AR-15. The gun that's fired will be a Glock 10mm, a short 44 Magnum rifle, and an AR-15 in 5.56. The target will be 1-gallon water jugs at very short range. They're marked as to the gun that will be hitting them. And we'll start shooting right now. Hopefully everything will remain standing. Okay, the 10mm. The 40. Wow. And the AR-15. Well, looked to me like the 44 was by far the most destructive. The AR-15 was not especially impressive. Guess that's all for today, folks.